but I actually have my own chiropractor as well. Now, I know you kind of mentioned you sit a lot for work. Do you tend to get any stiffness or discomfort in your low back?
Sometimes, and I do like self-crack just to get like some sort of release in that moment.
That self-cracking or popping, it feels good because it releases endorphins. Most of the time it's moving joints that have already moved too much. It doesn't really put a pressure through a specific joint like a chiropractor would. I should be able to self-adjust, right? But I actually have my own chiropractor as well. And the reason for that is because there's a certain alignment that it needs to be in, and it's really hard for ourselves to do that. It's very, very challenging and really not able to be done by ourselves. If we're forcing it, that will at some point create a lockup and that person will be in significant pain. So we just try to avoid that.